Hey guys, welcome back to Little Piece of Heaven Farm. It's a little bit of a foggy morning. I'm out here in the garden. I just thought I'd let you guys know that we had an earthquake this morning around 6 a.m. It was a 4.4 earthquake up by near Sweethome. Even though it's 60 miles away, it still shook our house and rattled the windows. We get up at like 5 o'clock in the morning because my wife had to be at work by 6:30, so we're in the living room there watching TV, and suddenly we felt the house kind of shook a little bit and the windows rattled, and kind of heard of a boom. It only lasted for a few seconds. Of course, we got up and looked outside and see what was going on, and then we got online and see if anything was online talking about it, and that's when we discovered there was a 4.4 earthquake near Sweethome this morning. So we checked everything and everything was fine. So anyhow, that was just a little quick video. Even though we live in Oregon do get earthquakes, even though it's not known for it, but we get earthquakes every day. You just don't, they're so small you don't even notice it, and they don't even, can't feel or nothing, but 4.4, that's big enough for people to feel it. So anyhow, that's about it. So that's just a little short video on the earthquake we had this morning. I don't know if you can see in the background, there's our greenhouse back there, and there's our nasties. You probably can't tell, but there's some chocolate cherry tomatoes kind of buried in there. Anyhow, just a little update on the farm while I got you on here. Let me take you around and show you some of my fall crops that I got going. See, over here is our lettuce, and they're coming quite well. We had a salad last night, so there's plenty here for salads for a few nights. This is our perpetual spinach. It's basically a Swiss chard. It's got a little sun scalding. Over here is our peas, coming on quite nicely. Another crop of radishes. Uh-oh, weed. My little weeding technique, push them in, bury them up. There's my other radishes. Here's my other fall crop. Parsnips growing quite well. Of course, those are some of my beets I grown earlier. Black Spanish radish, I believe, or it could be, I wonder if they're rutabagas. No, it's black Spanish radish. So, and my carrots coming up quite nicely, and some nasties. Out there's a sweet potatoes. Hopefully I've got some good sweet potatoes in there to harvest. And I still got plenty of tomatoes here. And of course I still got peppers. Had a really good year on peppers. More of our tomatoes. So I got a little bit of harvesting to do. And some tomatoes grown in a pot. These should be harvested. Right beside this bed here is a bunch of celery. You see I've already harvested some leaves on here, some stems, and you see new ones shooting up. and I've got plenty of grapes. Probably gonna spend the day getting these harvested and make grape juice, and I'll save some of it just to put in the refrigerator just to eat. Well, anyhow, hope you guys have a nice day. Catch you guys on the next one. Bye.